So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this video I will show you Apple release new iOS 16.2 official update for iPhone. So in this video I will show you what's the new in iOS 16.2 and how you can get if you don't have C official update yet. So without wasting any time, let's start video. As you can see, this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max and right now it's not update on iOS 16.2. So check the update. Open iPhone setting. In setting you need to tap on general, tap on software update. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Here are showing iOS 16.2 official update. This update about 1.3 GB in my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So what's the new in iOS 16.2? This update introduced Freeform, an app that offers a great place to brainstorm and bring your ideas to life. This release also adds Apple Music Sync, advanced data protection for iCloud, lock screen improvement and other feature and bug fix for your iPhone. Some feature may not be available for all region or on all Apple devices. So basically this is some new update that Apple update in that official update. So if you don't see yet that update, just close that. Open iPhone setting again, tap on general, tap on VPN and device management. Make sure you don't install any beta profile in your iPhone. If you install any beta profile in your iPhone, just remove the beta profile and then you can easily see the official update in your iPhone. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know what's the new in iOS 16.2 official update and how you can get that. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.